Hi, very good morning, all. In a passionless world, how do you expect me to speak very more? So, we'll speak short and sweet, okay? And again, the comment box they have asked one question to me regarding, sir, my environment is not good. I could not able to tie up with my environment, and those environments are not allowing me to go for or not allowing me to progress. So what can be done so that my environment is allowing me and also I should also grow? This is what the question is all about. And regarding this, no, I should say this: by seeing the movie or by seeing the hero dialogue and heroine dialogue, people are thinking the life is all about happiness. We can enjoy to any extreme level. Likewise, they are thinking, because hero is telling tomorrow is what, tomorrow is totally, it contains uncertainty, so try to enjoy as much as you can. Likewise, the dialogue is coming overflowing from the hero voice and heroine voice. By hearing this dialogue, no, people are taking into the another way, I mean wrong way. First, live the dramatic life and cinematic life. Go for the reality. In real life, you must be the hero. By sitting in the tip of the seat and expecting your hero to be win in the climax time. But when you become a hero, it's a very wrong thing. Life is uncertain. I say always life is certain. I never agree life is uncertain. I agree life is certain. In your life, how many times you have met, adversity, misfortune, problem, challenges. Your life is so smooth. Rarely problems are coming. Am I right? Rarely problems are coming. So you're thinking that life is uncertain, we must enjoy all the time. Life is very certain. Your father is planning, and as per the plan, the family is going very smoothly for the past 17 years. Where it has gone uncertain, everything is going as per the plan. Life is fully certain. Rarely it goes away from the plan, but life is maximum, life is certain only. So go for the plan and work for the plan, and take out the thought or throw out the thought that tomorrow's life is gonna be anything, so we must enjoy like anything. Throw out that lower thought and silly thought. Work for the life is certain. Okay, work for and think that life is certain. And also having this thought, that the thought, no, people are enjoying like anything in a college period, in a school period. See, we and people sometimes claim, sir, I wanted to progress myself, but my friends are not at all having tie up with me or friendship with me. Drop them. See, if you are average players, you will have a crowd. But if you are a super player, you will no have crowd. You will never have crowd. If you are average player, you will have much crowd. But you are a super player, no, you will have no crowd at all. But when you go for average player, no, you will always have crowd, because so much of average players, they don't want to lift themselves and they don't want to lift others. Others include parents and the society and everything. Be a super player. And also, you must be the boss in your life. Do not expect the college to be perfect. Do not expect the government to be perfect. You must be the perfect. So online education is not effective. The government is not effective. You go as per your intention. You go in a right vision. If you are so sincere, everything will come back. Sir, online system is not effective, sir. So that I cannot able to learn anything, sir. So that I dropped everything, sir. My energy, my activeness, everything, sir. You must be boss to yourself. Monday, if the class teacher is not coming, you study everything. And Saturday, the class teacher is coming, you say that today is Saturday, ma'am, we'll play game only. So likewise, you must be boss to yourself. Do not expect others to be a boss. Be independent always. Do not depend on all the time government and the college. College has to be feeded very well, and always blaming others, blame. A complaining mind never become peaceful. Okay, so must think all the time, I am the boss of my life. My day is my responsibility. I will craft the day. I will art the day. That is very required. You must be the boss to yourself. Okay. And also what to say, in a long run the vision should be there. You, again I'm saying life is a certain. If you think life is a certain, no, you'll plan for long run, not short run. Okay. Prepare for the long run so that it will be very delightful for you. Okay. Think of it. And I end with this particular statement. Okay. Small mind discuss about people, average mind discuss about events, and great mind discuss about idea. You are the great mind and you are a super player. You are the boss in your life. Life is certain. So this is what I wanted to convey. Think. Okay. And don't get too much of attachment to the college friends. Okay. And do not get so much away from the college people. Okay, since they are disturbing. Okay. You just go like what to say, manageable with that. There your teamwork and leadership qualities getting born. Okay. That is very important. And if you are good, the good people will accumulate you. If not, no, leave them, let it be. As it go, as it go. Okay. Do not expect anything to be pushed down. Okay. This is what I wanted to convey, and hope I have reached you everyone. Thank you. Love you all. Bye bye.